Welcome guys to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing CN Fans. Now this is a brand new agent that people are using to compete with others like PandaBuy, CSSBuy, KMall, whatever. Here is my experience. First things first, why would anyone choose CN Fans? Now one of the reasons why is because of all these coupons. They are more affordable than a lot of agents, and honestly, it's a very good experience. This is pretty similar to PandaBuy, the way CN Fans works. All you need to do is enter in a link that you find somewhere like Reddit or my Discord, link in the description. We got this right here. This is a pretty popular link. We have the VT batch dunks. Now, how to order? Simply, you will look through here and you would click on a size. It's very easy, very simple. If you've used a different agent before, this is pretty good and very straightforward. Now, simply, check your buy now. You'll want to top up beforehand or while you're ordering with PayPal, I would recommend. And obviously, you can use these shipping coupons, but that's when you actually ship out the warehouse. So when you order a shoe or whatever you get, you have your warehouse right here. So this is my warehouse right now. For example, a Chrome Hearts hoodie, we have this right here, luxury brand. You can see the pictures, very good quality pictures, as we could see. Standard hoodie, and you could check what it looks like. And obviously when I buy things, I make sure people bought it already and have had good opinions on it. As you can see, there's a few dots right there. It may need to be washed. I do recommend washing your clothes when you get them, but yeah, it's all right though. And then here's a shoe, for example. We have the Aluminium 3s right here. Pretty standard, nothing crazy, just here's the quality pictures. You get to see everything you need to see. And yeah, so when you're actually shipping them out, I just select all, press submit, enter in your address, and then you are able to change anything you want to do. You probably want to remove the shoe boxes and yeah, get all the protection, because it's worth spending an extra $1 just for the possibility that your entire package may or may not get destroyed. So I do recommend actually doing everything possible to make sure that it has the most amount of protection possible. And yeah, and then you'll be able to select a shipping method, and then you'll be able to pay one last time, use your coupons, make sure that you get that price down as far as possible, because that is also the point of this website. So that's basically how it goes. And part 2 will be when I actually receive this package, because right now I obviously don't have it, and then you'll be able to see the final product and what it looks like. Stay tuned.